What's up with it, y'all? It's your girl Zah, and I'm back with another freaking video. You guys, I'm trying to do stuff that I've never done before, and I've been wanting to do this for a long time. Come with me. So yeah, this is what I'm gonna do today. Yeah. I'm excited, but I'm scared, but I'm very excited. I'm trying to do things that I've never done before and just really date myself. Take myself out. I think after this I'm gonna go have a drink. So I definitely want to see what they're talking about in here. So this shit gonna be crazy. I don't even know where to go. It looks like a FedEx in here. It looks like a FedEx building. Like I'm finna do packing, shipping, and receiving.
All of the guns that we have back here are all of our rentable firearms, so you can do pistol, rifle, pretty much whatever.
Okay, thank you.
Absolutely.
So I gotta watch a video, and it's gonna take 24 hours for them to, like, you know, approve me and stuff. Wait, is this it? Is this the video? Oh, ow! I gotta watch this video. So I gotta fill out a waiver. I just got done watching the video. Now I gotta fill out this waiver. Alright guys, so basically I gotta wait till tomorrow and I can come back up here tomorrow. So I just went in and just did my little waiver thing, you know. I guess I'll just take y'all with me while I'm out and about doing some things. I don't know. This is just a random vlog. Self-love, self-care, enjoying myself. I guess I was finna go work out real quick, but let me stop back by the crib real quick. Y'all can come with me to the house real quick. I just want to get my mind right. And I gotta get my earphones because I'm finna go work out. So let's go. You guys, I just want to say real quick, like, life be lifing. But we just gotta figure out how to keep going and not let the devil win. Can't let the devil win, y'all. Little piece of advice I just wanted to share. Just, I don't know who else needs to hear it. Life be lifing, but do not let the devil win. Don't let him win.
Niggas going nuts, but that do stay in the cup. That girls I go run it up.
Alright, you guys, so it's a completely, totally different day. It's the next day. And I never even finished my vlog. Like, I was supposed to be vlogging more yesterday. But, y'all, it was just so much going on yesterday. So much going on. But, it's been 24 hours. And I'm finna get ready to go back to the gun range. I'm so excited. I ain't even gonna cap. I'm stupid excited right now. So, y'all come with me to the gun range. And let's see how this go. I ain't never did anything like this. Now, I done shot a gun before. But I ain't never been to the gun range. Alright, y'all, let's go. You guys. Oh. Hold on. Oh, I think I was supposed to right there. I got the right here. I'm pulling up to the range. Shoot. Range USA. Here we go. I'm trying to get me a piece of it. I don't know why I'm whispering. I need to be whispering because my voice, I gotta get my voice there right. Friday. I got a show with my girl, Cece. Let me get my voice back right, so I'm just gonna whisper. Because my voice is shot, you guys. I've been having one hell of a weekend. Just pray for me and my babies. That's all I'm gonna say. Just pray for us. All right now. Y'all, it like it's gonna rain out here too. But it feels good outside, so. Oh my God. Hold on, wait. I might need to put my purse back. Hold on. Because I got like this little thing in my purse. I don't want them being like, oh no, ma'am, you can't bring that in here. Let me just take my ID. My wallet. Okay. Nobody here. Good. You don't see me mess up. Boom, boom. Hey, hey, girl. There she go. Boom, boom.
So you can rent that, and Target's right there. Mr. Garth here is going to start with your driver's license.
Okay.
And pick a gun. We'll get some ammo and everything for you.
How much is this? I don't even know how much it's gonna be.
So it's $24 for the lane time. The firearm rental is $20. The ammunition for that firearm is where it gets very expensive. Depending on the gun you pick, it can be $20, it can be $100.
Okay.
There's a logger's fee of $6,000.
All right. Hey.
So
Hey, we finna
ear protection is like $3 and $4 a piece. All said and done, probably somewhere in the ballpark about $100.
I'm worth it. I'm taking myself on a date. I've never done this before, so I'm very excited. Excuse me. Oh my God, I'm so excited. Oh, okay.
All right. Under 9-year protection duration time, which firearm are you looking at renting?
I don't know. I'm just trying to spend $100. That's it.
$100?
Total for everything. That's it. Even if it's the smallest gun, I don't know. The cheapest gun? Y'all, I don't know, but they're gonna get me one. They're getting me one down here. Oh my God, this is gonna be so awesome. I'm so excited. Ah, and it matches my outfit. Hey. Y'all, it's gonna get real. Yeah. Oh. Look, they gave me the, hey, I'm gonna be cute too, you know. Got the yellow shoes, I'm gonna have the orange. I'm cute. I gotta put my goggles. I'm very excited. Cause baby, look at this one. Look how big. How big. Dang. It's huge.
Alright, so with
And then I gotta buy those too, right?
with the paper targets, shoot.
Oh, okay. Yeah. I don't want to shoot those small things. I need to see something bigger. Those are small.
How many would you like?
I guess.
There's 4 for $6 or $1.
4 targets.
Yeah.
So like 2 on the paper. Let me get, you said 4 for $6?
Yeah.
So you can get 4 paper targets for $6.
And then each paper it comes with 2 targets.
Depends on which one.
Let me see, y'all. We gotta look at the target now.
So we've got one with balloons. This one comes the same for the one on the bottom, and this one as well. Or you can have just your classic silhouette target there.
Yeah, that's what I just want a classic, you know, silhouette target. So how much is that? Because it's only gonna be one, right? Let me get, oh, they come like this? Let me get
This one, you said you want a classic one, which would probably be
oh yeah. Let me get like, let me get 10 of those.
10.
Yeah. That's a lot, ain't it?
That's a lot.
I'm finna have a good time, y'all.
Chamber flag is in and the magazine is out of the weapon. Return to me the exact same way.
Okay.
Alright.
Oh my God.
50 round box. Eye protection, ear protection, eye range time. It all comes up to 88%.
It's actually not bad.
It's a vlogger.
I'm a vlogger. That's why I need a camera crew with me. All right.
So before you put the magazine in, make sure you take the chamber flag out and make sure everything's down right.
Yes, ma'am. No way. Oh. Okay.
So it might be a little easier.
Mm.
Because you're right-handed, right?
Yeah.
So when you go and you pick it up, turn it to you, and then as it's sitting up, smash it in there. Pretty much.
Gotcha.
And then just remember to rack it back after that, so that way there's one in the chamber.
Gotcha.
And then it will be hot and ready to fire. So make sure you aim before you pull.
All right. There you go.
Yeah, smack it in there. There you go.
Wait, is that in there? Is that in there? So do a little bit harder.
It's in there.
It's in there.
Now you rack the slide back. Make sure it stays down, right? Let go. There you go. It's ready to go.
Oh, yeah.
And do the grip.
Okay.
Put that one thumb up. This thumb you want on top. So
Okay.
you'll want to right there. About right there. So nope. Let's stay here. Let's stay here. Just like that.
Okay.
There you go. Now just aim. Go towards the middle target.
I see it.
Right in the middle.
I see it. Here we go. Wait, do I gotta squeeze the thing in the back?
Yeah. You got it. Don't do it with your hands. Just slow trigger pull.
Damn! Oh, I got more bullets. I forgot.
So with your stance,
Okay.
you want shoulder width apart for your feet, slight bend in the knee, and you want to lean into it.
Okay.
If you lean back, you're going to hit the ceiling.
Okay, I
So
got
you
you.
want to lean into it and just remember that grip. The meat of this hand goes on the plastic, they marry at the top, wrap around.
Okay.
And then with your trigger finger, try to use just about this much on the trigger and
Okay.
just slow pull.
Okay.
Okay? Other than that, you'll do fine. Just remember, lean into it with a slight bend in your knees and then really line up those sights. You saw the sights?
Yeah, I seen it, but I kept missing it. Like,
So look through the sights
okay.
and then aim with it, and whatever that's on, it'll hit. So you had a couple low and a real high. We're
Okay.
gonna want to go center of the center.
Okay.
Okay? So just try to focus on that one. Slow, steady trigger pull back. Breathe, relax, lean a little forward. You got it.
Okay. That's right. Wait.
Do 5 shots at a time till you get comfortable.
Okay, yeah. Now, how do I make it go back?
To release the magazine,
Okay.
which you'll want, you'll press that button. It'll fall out. You hit the phone, you set it back. And once you reload here, pop it back in, just pop the slide back.
Okay.
And it
Oh, yeah, that's why I forgot I told Cheyenne to get stuck. I'm calling her.
I'm right here.
Cheyenne, fix it. Okay, here we go.
That girl's I go run it up.
Oh, that's fine. You're real close. You go a little bit higher. It's not that bad. Not that bad. Yeah! Yeah!
money, break their necks, just know what shawty stepping. I got 3 kids, so gotta get the bag by any means. Chase this bread, can't get no sleep. You a red, don't need no cheese, ho. Had to go back to my old ways, snatching them bills like the old days. Give 3 fucks with a whole say. Can't do what he say, won't catch me with a Jose, no way. Job super lethal, killing these hoes, got me Grand Reaper. Hating those I be looking at them all. Talking hot shit, then expect me to fall. Let me tell you, I'm one hell of a woman. I bounce back from no bullshit when there's other bitches that couldn't fit the train. Don't know my pain. I'm gon' shake some on that post, I'll make it rain. Hurricane. It's that she lit. Blazing Betty. Ooh la la. When you look her in the eyes, do this, then she hypnotized. When that's don't give a fuck. Got them niggas going nuts. But that do stay in the cup. That girls I gon' run it up. Gas them up and then I blaze them. I'm that chick. I won't settle. Pressure pedal to the metal. Blazing Betty.
Okay. I did okay. Let me get another paper. This looks horrible. Almost smacked me in the face. They all over the place. It's okay though. It's my first time.
Betty, when you look her in the eyes, do this, then she hypnotized. Throwing ass, don't give a fuck. Got them niggas going nuts.
Did I hit the middle?
That girls I go run it up.
You hit the middle.
Big Zah in this bitch. You know what I'm saying? All in the middle, all in the. No, just play. That was so cool.
Thursday, the 30th, 4 and 6 for private lessons.
Okay.
And Thursday, June 6th, is the basic handgun class.
That's what I need to sign up for. The basic handgun class.
Yeah. Thursday, Thursday the 6th at 5 and then go down.
Okay. 5 p.m. Thursday? Oh, no, okay. I get off at 5. I actually get off at 5. Okay. Okay, that'll be cool. So I'll be back soon to pay for that and book that classroom. Okay.
Get your ID.
Oh, okay, you gotta get my ID. Oh, yeah. Y'all, did y'all see me? I was popping. I just put the clips. I had to put the small clips right there because I forgot to record this way. Alright, you guys. That was so much fun. Like, I was in there popping them hoes. Pop, popping them hoes. And I got to get my glasses. I got to keep the glasses. I bought the glasses, but the orange earmuffs, I rented those. So, but I guess it's gonna be the end of this vlog, you guys. That was super cool. Very excited about that video, but y'all make sure y'all tune in. Please don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell. And I'll see y'all in my next video.